Here's how to convert MKV video to MP3 audio. I have a file converter that I created called ConvertSave. That's right, I made it with my brother, and you can go download it. It's at convertsave.com. It works for Windows and Mac. Let me show you how it works. You simply drag and drop the MKV files in, select the output. I want to go MP3, convert, save right next to it. Super fast, super quick, all offline. No more random websites or uploading your files to weird servers or having to use different websites for images and video and audio and compression and resize and all this different stuff. You can just do it right on your desktop. And there's a lot of different options and features in this little button right here. It's the advanced options. So it shows you, okay, we're doing this specific conversion. We're going to use this tool for that. And we're going to send these commands to the tool to do the conversion. Well, what these commands do is tell it to convert in a certain way. And you can actually add your own custom commands in and build them out with the options builder here. And so now we see a bunch of different options that we have to add to our conversion. So if we want to do a custom conversion where we do these other things to it, maybe we raise the volume level, maybe we trim where the audio comes out of, start time, end time, all that kind of stuff. It adds and builds and generates these commands right here for you and sends that code on that conversion. You can even save it. It actually does save on its own as like the default for this type of conversion, MKV to MP3. And you can clear that and use the defaults that we have if you did some one-off type of conversion. But that makes it super quick and efficient to just drag, drop, convert, and save. And that's what I want because I've worked in media for 15 plus years, and this is the absolute fastest I could possibly think of to be able to do a file conversion. Hopefully you guys find it as a useful part of your workflow. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. That's how to convert MKV video to MP3 audio. And also, I don't know if I said it, images work, video works, video to audio, audio to audio, and even like images to PDF. You can do a multi-page PDF with ConvertSave too. So we're going to add a lot more features, but I appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next one.